What is model distillation? Outside of the context of llms, distillation is all about extracting the most valuable parts from a messy mixture. Think of how we turn seawater into fresh drinking water. Boil off the salt and keep the good stuff. The key idea is separating what's essential from the excess. Model distillation draws this parallel in AI, where essential knowledge is extracted from a massive AI model and passed down to a smaller one. Model distillation involves knowledge transfer between a large, supercharged model, the teacher model, a smaller, more efficient model, the student model. Distillation provides a powerful method for a student model to learn to replicate the teacher's intelligence, while also cutting down on size, energy use, and computing power. How distillation works. In distillation, the teacher model's outputs become the student model's training data. The teacher model processes input data and generates a label, correct answer, and a rationale, explanation. The student model then learns from this enhanced data, capturing both the decisions and reasoning of the teacher. As a result, the student model learns not only the answer but the reasoning process as well. As the diagram below depicts, the teacher model also helps the student learn nuanced interclass relationships by providing soft labels, probabilistic predictions across classes, hard labels, correct answers. This enables the student model's ability to yield an efficient approximation of the teacher's performance. Benefits of distillation. A distilled model offers many benefits over larger models. Efficiency and faster inference. Distilled models provide faster performance with lower latency while retaining intelligence. Reduced computational costs. Distilled models require less hardware and energy compared to large models. Deployability on edge devices. These models can be deployed on devices with limited computing resources, such as smartphones and IoT devices. Expedite development of specialized LLMs. We can fine-tune distilled models to create smaller, domain-specific models from general-purpose LLMs for areas like medicine, coding, etc. One trade-off of distillation is that you might sacrifice a sliver of accuracy, but that's an acceptable compromise for many use cases. Distillation has a distinct appeal over purely fine-tuning a pre-trained LLM. Fine-tuning involves training an LLM for specific tasks on specialized datasets. However, a large, fine-tuned LLMs boast billions of parameters, soaking up loads of computing power and energy bills. Distillation offers a clever route that is more cost-effective. Extract the model's core intelligence and trim the excess. Create a leaner, distilled model that's faster and cheaper to deploy. Fine-tune the smaller, distilled model for specialized use cases if needed. Often, distillation and fine-tuning are used in tandem to achieve effective LLMs with less demand on resources. Globe showing Asia-Australia real-world example. GPT-4o Mini is distilled from GPT-4o, which is how this smaller model hits a sweet spot between performance and resource efficiency. Ethical concerns and OpenAI's accusations. If a student model's training data consists mostly of a teacher model's outputs, would distillers need explicit permission to harvest that material? As useful as this technique is, distillation wades into murky ethical waters, where it becomes difficult to draw the line between knowledge transfer and blatant copyright infringement. While neither OpenAI nor Microsoft have disclosed evidence, OpenAI is accusing DeepSeek of using unfair methods to achieve their low-cost models. DeepSeek allegedly exploited OpenAI to perform distillation at scale, using multiple unrelated accounts. Microsoft security researchers reportedly detected individuals performing data exfiltration using OpenAI API in late 2024, which they believe to be linked to DeepSeek. There is some irony in this controversy, as OpenAI itself has also been under fire for scraping people's data without permission to train ChatGPT. OpenAI considered this to be fair use, but not everyone agreed with that, and that's precisely why they were sued for €15 million by an Italian watchdog last December. With that, we could entertain that OpenAI might be trying to position themselves as advocates of data privacy with this accusation. While the question of whether they inappropriately used OpenAI data remains speculative, There's no doubt that DeepSeek is using distillation to effect powerful, efficient models.